You got me down again.
In today's video, we're going fishing again, and we're going down to the river. So to start off, we're gonna carve ourselves a little bit better of a trail down there, because if you guys didn't watch the last video, it was kind of a nightmare to get down there. So I'm gonna go get some equipment. We're gonna get some weed eaters. I have a weed eater with a brush head on it and a couple other tools that should make it pretty easy to clear out a little bit better of a trail. So that's what we got to do first. So it should be fun. Hopefully we catch something. I'm gonna toss you guys to the GoPro, and we're going to film me trying to carve a better trail down there and see how it goes. So it should be a pretty exciting video today. I absolutely love fishing videos. Hopefully I can make it a little bit easier to get down there. That way I can make more fishing videos down there, because I kind of dread getting down there. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a banger. All right, like I said, I have this weed eater with the brush head on it, so it should chop up any small twig or, you know, decent sized tree, I guess, if you want to call it that. It's more of like a twig. We're going to get it all gassed up, locked and loaded, and we're going to try to get down there. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we got it all cleaned up for the most part. As you guys can see, there's at least a path through and up. That's all we're going to do today. That way we can get some fishing in, because I don't want to clean this up all day. Ideally at some point in my life, I'll get all this area cleaned up and all this area cleaned up and try to have at least a little bit of a waterfront. But now's not the time. So I'm going to walk to the top of the hill, get some fishing stuff, and I'll meet you guys back down here. You guys don't need to see the walk. I'll just appear. Already got one. Yep.
What'd you get?
A freaking sunfish.
We're gonna use them for catfish.
No, it's too pretty.
No.
That is so pretty. All right, well, guys, first cast, first catch. Caught this little sunfish right here. Absolutely beautiful fish, if you guys can see. This camera angle I'm not sure about. Morgan's still trying to get down here. It's actually quite comical. Holy shit, he ate this whole entire treble hook. All right, well, he absolutely choked that, but cute little, don't know if you can see him, cute little sunfish. Hooked up again. Yes, sir. Oh, he's a feisty little bluegill. No. Oh, it's a little sunfish too. 2 for 3. This one didn't really. Second one. All right, so we've hooked up 2 sunfish. About to probably hook up 3. There's a little hole over here, I guess. That's why I fish with the rooster tail, so I can catch anything. We're on another one. Let's go. I'm just catching the same fish.
Oh, that one's pretty. That one has like an orange belly.
I know, I'd love to keep them, but I hate carrying them all the way up the freaking hill.
And they're just not quite big enough.
Yeah, my turtles do keep having a feast. Except for that one that's in there. He's a tank. Here. 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 She don't like fish. Here. I put it in the water right there and she's looking for it. It swam away. Oh, I'm on again. What a hole. Easy. Oh, it's a little smallie. She is not a fan. All right, we've caught 4, 3 little sunfish, and this baby little smallie. So not going for size, going for quantity here, obviously. Stella is not a fan of the fish. Here, Stell, ready? Where did it go? Where'd it go? She's so confused.
That's really as far as she would go out, too.
This is really a good way to fish. It's pretty cool. And it has been for a little while. And the water's pretty low.
Water's super low. Oh, got another one right here. Oh, that is tiny. How did you even eat that? These fish are beautiful. Goodbye. This little spot's money today. Look. Oh my.
Oh, you got something big, huh?
Something decent.
Catfish, please.
I got
Is it? Is he rolling? Nope.
a little smallie. I love smallmouth. They fight like crazy. That's a decent sized fish. That's decent.
Yeah, that's a good. Oh, I like his stripes.
Got this little smallie. Decent sized. Big camera is got heat warning like every time I come down here. So we're rolling with the GoPro right now. Stella. She's so unsure. She wants to like him so bad. Ready? Oh, did it hit you? Where'd it go, Stelly? I got another one. Watch. Ready?
His buddy's gonna swallow it. Look, she's waiting for it to surface so she can get it.
It's the same one.
Nuh-uh.
I think it's just a.
Dude, the stripes on that one are different.
This is just a tad bit bigger. Kissing it goodbye. Where'd it go? She has no clue. Oh, this one's huge. Oh, it's huge.
No, stay down, baby.
If I break off, I'd be a little upset. Which I'm probably going to. Well, don't let it just sit there. Get it. Yay! Oh, okay. Nope, nope, nope.
Is it broken?
Yeah.
She grabbed it and all the water came out on
Oh yeah, it probably sounds like a wind tunnel.
It's that.
Alright guys, big camera is over there in the shade, so hopefully it cools down and doesn't overheat. The GoPro overheated. I just stuck it in water and it's working now. I've caught like 7, but nothing of size. Just, again, quality. No, just quantity over quality at this point. I just want to catch fish. That's the fun part. At some point we might come down here in the future and try to catch something of size, but right now I just figured that catching something would be better than catching nothing and chasing after something that I can't catch. So the river is, as you guys can see, is pretty low compared to what it was last time I was down here. Is nobody paying attention to you? Stella's been a pretty good fish dog so far, but I'm gonna keep fishing. GoPro has 19%, so if it dies, we'll just pick up at the top of the hill, and I'll kind of recap everything that we did down here. What is your deal? Nobody talking to you? Oh, you are a wet dog. But all in all, been having a good time down here. Marcus is trying to catch catfish. That's his main objective. It's not going so well for him, guys. Told him to tie on the rooster tail. Morgan, she's just learning how to use a open face reel, so it's not going well for her either. We barely even got her down here, but she was able to slide on her ass halfway down the hill. So what? A quarter of the way down the hill. But anyway, we'll keep trying to film as much as we can. If not, we'll pick up top, and again, I'll tell you what went down. And Stella, you got any words of advice? You got any words of wisdom? You got anything else to say? Anything else to say? Anything else? Oh, good job. Is that all you want to say? Okay, that's all she has to say, guys. So we'll pick up in a second. All right, we just got finished fishing down the hill. Man, it is quite a trek up. Did pretty good today, pretty excited. Hopefully you guys like these videos. If you guys like these videos, please hit that like button, because I would love to make more of these videos. Maybe I'll do a trapping video down there or anything. Whatever I can get down the hill, we could probably do. I'd like to go bow fishing down there again. I've went a couple times, had some decent luck, but with the water being so low, I might have really good luck. So I should probably do that sometime soon. Also, if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button and consider watching a few other of my videos. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to have to cram a video in next week because I'm going to be gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So not sure what I'm going to do, but we'll see what next Monday's video brings. I appreciate it. Peace.